Hey guys, I figured I'm gonna show you what I'm doing. Got all the drywall tape to mud it, but I'm ready to start hanging this board here. Don't know if I'll get it done today, but I'm starting now. But let me just show you what I'm working with. This is called a Hydro Block board. It's upside down, but you can see it there. Hydro Block board. It's very similar to Weedy, so I haven't used it yet before. This will be my first time using it. So pretty much goes together the same as Weedy. Use the washers and screws and seal it where everything meets to make it watertight. So that's that. Basically it's green with gray mesh and mortar on the front and back side. So I'm gonna start hanging in here. Maybe I'll do some shots for you guys, take some video, show you the process of installing, but pretty much the same as Weedy. Ready? Okay, I figure I'll show you the screws and the washers. So the washers seem very identical to Weedy, if you can see that there. Pretty much very similar to Weedy. The screw is not like any other screw I've seen for boards. It looks like a Suter one, but it's actually a thicker gauge, so these won't snap. I don't know if they're good, you know, water resistant or not, even though they could be covering with sealant so they won't rust, but looks like they're a zinc screw. Really can't tell by looking at it. Let me see if it says on the box. Doesn't really, they're galvan. Okay, let's see. Self-tapping screws for wood and metal. The washers are galvanized. You can see a little bit darker gray. I don't think these screws are galvanized, but again, they're going to be getting covered with sealant. So I just bought the pack. It comes with the washers and the screws in there, so that way everything's ready to go. So that's that. First board coming in, I would definitely say that it cuts easier than Weedy. The mesh on the front and back is, I would say, not as thick. So yeah, first board going in. Stay tuned. Sealant is actually gray too, just like Weedy's here. Pretty cool. Put a healthy bead here, about a 1/2 inch by 1/2 inch. Nothing wrong with having too much on here. It's just going to squeeze out. Having too little could be a problem. You want to make sure that you get this full coverage here, especially this low in the shower. You're going to see a lot of water here, so making sure that's filled up good. Making sure the bottom of my board's clean once it makes the contact. Nice, moves out.